Here's a law of attraction formula to receive unexpected money within 24 hours. Don't believe me? Give this technique a try. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into this video. Step number one, expect it. None of the other techniques that you're going to hear about that work will matter if you don't expect it. If you don't expect it of yourself and you don't expect it of life, you can't create it. No accomplishment or achievement can ever happen without the expectation of it. So what I invite you to do is to start expecting it. Most people think that they're in harmony with money, but they're actually expecting it not to come, because everything is really two things. It's the presence of it or the absence of it. And most people want money, but they're focused on the absence of it in their lives. So start focusing on the presence of money in your life. In the Bible it says, to he who has, more is given. To he who has not, even that which they have will be taken away. What does that mean? You could start to think, well, is the universe, is life this unfair place that, helps the rich people and not the poor people? Why are they taking away from the poor people? Because if you don't feel it and expect it of yourself, even that which you have will be taken away, because you're not in harmony with anything other than lack. So you're going to attract deeper and deeper levels of lack. Similarly so, to the person that has, more will be given. The person that's in a state of expectancy, that's vibrating abundance, that, maybe they don't have all the things that they need or want, but they're not focusing on the fact that they don't have those things, why they haven't happened yet. They're not looking out and saying, well, this hasn't happened yet, this hasn't happened yet. They're in a place of abundance. They're in harmony with it. They're saying, oh, I'm grateful for this. I'm grateful for that. Even though I didn't have this, I'm so grateful for that. And I believe more good things are coming. They're in harmony with it. So to he who has, he who is in a place, or she, right, is in a place of expectancy, they will create more of it. To he who has, to she who has, to the person that has, more is going to be given to them. The people that don't have that type of frame of mind, even that which they have is going to be gone soon enough, because they're only attracting worse and worse. Look around today and expect great things. Number two, pray to the universe, pray to God, pray to the source of all things. But most people pray as if it's a vending machine in the sky, and they're like, please give me money, please. To he who has, more will be given. To she who has, more will be given. And to the people that don't have, everything's going to be taken away from them. So when you're praying from a place of please, what you're really doing is focusing on the fact that you don't have what you want. When you're focused on the fact that you don't have what you want, you're in harmony with lack. And to that person that does not have, even that which they have is going to be taken away, because they're in harmony with lack. So the prayer should be something like this. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. The word that you use doesn't matter. Alan Watts says you can't get wet by the word water. It's not the word. We're talking about the divine intelligence, the creative force of the universe here. Call it God, call it spirit, call it nature, call it universe. Doesn't matter. Can't get wet by the word water. Dear God, dear universe, thank you for now blessing me with unexpected, immediate financial abundance. Dear God, dear universe, insert your own word. Thank you for blessing me now with unexpected financial abundance immediately. Close your eyes right now and you connect to that place and you say, thank you, God, thank you, universe, for blessing me with infinite and immediate unexpected financial abundance. Get in touch with the feeling of that, because to the person that has, to the person that can demonstrate the feeling, that can get in touch with that reality, more will be given to them. To the person that listens to this and says, well, it'd be a lot easier if I had some money. You're in harmony with lack, and even what you have is going to be taken away because you're focused on the fact that you do not have. So it's impossible. So use that prayer and affirmation today. Close your eyes, make that statement, and then what you got to do is write that on a piece of paper. Now, the reason you're going to write that on a piece of paper and carry that with you is because your mind might have the tendency, the way that it's conditioned, to want to resort back to, well, I don't have it, this is silly, this is stupid, is this guy Jake an idiot, right? So the point is or your mind and your eyes are going to look for the reasons and the ways that you don't have it yet. Your eyes aren't truth. Your eyes see a very small spectrum of visible light. There's a lot of things happening that you can't see. There's billions of bits of information happening every single second. Why can't you see it all? Because if you did, your brain would be totally overwhelmed and it would we wouldn't be able to process our reality. So you have a reticular activating system that focuses on the pertinent bits or pieces of information, i.e. the light photons that make up our reality, that are most relevant to your intentions and your attention. So today, make your attention on that statement. Thank you, God and universe, or whatever you want to say. Thank you, God, for blessing me with unexpected, infinite financial abundance. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for blessing me with unexpected, great financial abundance. And use that throughout the day. Now, the reason you're using that throughout the day is because you need your reticular activating system to start to connect to that. The more you connect to that, the more that starts to feel real to you, the more you have in the mental realm. The more that you have, whether it's in the mental realm or the physical realm or the spiritual realm, it doesn't matter. To the person that has, more will be given to them. So look today for the ways that it shows up. It might be in the form of $10, it might be in the form of $100, it might be in the form of thousands of dollars, it might be in the form of somebody paying your coffee. Look for a way that is unexpected, that life has presented to you, more unexpected financial abundance. Look for it. Come back and comment it down in here. Come down and share it down in here. But first, you must expect it. Second, you must connect with that reality and speak to God or the universe as if that is a reality, because when you're in that place, you're in a place of having that thing. And to the person that has, more will be given to them. So in this video, you will receive unexpected money within 24 hours if you follow these steps. Go out there, have a beautiful, amazing day. Expect great things. Know that you're a child of God, a piece of the universe. You deserve the things that you desire. And when you're in harmony with having them, more will be given to you. And to those that do not have, even that will be taken away from them. So download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com. When you can hypnotize and train yourself, I always say brainwash yourself before the world does. The world's always brainwashing us. It's brainwashing us with lack and limitation and doubt and worry and fear and we can't have and this isn't possible. You have to brainwash yourself from all of that crap. So jakeshypnosis.com, down below, it's free. Just download it down below, listen to it for a few minutes as this video ends here, and then use that affirmation. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for blessing me with unexpected, great financial abundance today. And use that throughout the day. Come back and report back the ways that you've created or manifested or experienced unexpected abundance in your life today. When you notice it once today, in the next 24 hours, you know what's gonna happen? It's gonna pick up in the reticular activating system. You're gonna be in a place of having. So tomorrow's gonna get better. It's a domino effect. It keeps showing up because when you're in the place of abundance, expecting it and noticing it, you will receive unexpected abundance. So this is Jake Ducey with untitled.com. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button right over there and hit the bell notification. That's what notifies you for a new video. So hit the bell notification because if you hit the subscribe, you won't actually get notified. So bell notification, like this video to support this channel, like this video, and then hashtag down below, unexpected abundance today. Unexpected abundance today. Or if you like the other one, unexpected money today. Unexpected money or unexpected abundance today. Hashtag down below. I can't wait to hear your stories. Have a beautiful day and know that the universe is a friendly place that wants to support your desires.